Today, due to rapid industrialization, global warming and the environment have become the cause of great concern and the real-life issue of the world. Industries are being pursued rigorously to ensure that the pollution control and energy conservation systems adopted are continuously under operation. Hence, adoption of suitable, economically cost-effective, energy-conserving and very efficient methods of pollution control is the top priority of any industry. We at Environ Engineering Company are a technology-driven company where innovation is the key to new product development. We strongly believe that the environment is a valuable gift of nature and it is our responsibility to protect it. Environ Engineering Company was formed by Mr. C.B. Thakur, basically an R&D engineer in the year 1977, having very valuable and vast experience in designing pumps, gears, material handling equipment, ETP plant machines and other machineries. Today, after over 30 years of establishment, Environ Engineering Company is the only manufacturer in India having the oxygen transfer testing facility as per American standards for the aerators up to 150 HP ratings. We at Environ Engineering Company strongly believe in adopting reliable quality assurance plans having the highest standards at our R&D facility. Environ Engineering Company situated at 864/3/B GIDC Estate, Makarpura, Vadodara in Gujarat is a company with a tradition of innovation and is one of the leading and most experienced environmental engineering, designing and manufacturing company in matters of effluent treatment with manufacturing facilities having total 40,000 square feet area. At Environ, our main aim is to help the industries in achieving the best results in their effluent treatment plants with minimum energy consumption. Environ Engineering Company is the manufacturers of all the equipments which are required for chemical and biological treatment of the effluent like fixed and floating type slow speed energy efficient aerators from 2 HP to 150 HP rating, center and end drive clarifiers, clarifoculators, thickness mechanism from 2 meters diameter to 25 meters diameter, agitators, stirrers, flocculators, mixers, mechanism in rubber, lead, Teflon, glass, FRP linings and SS construction from half HP to 40 HP rating, API oil separator, top oil skimmers, fully automatic, various for tank widths up to 5 meters, mechanized bar screen up to 4 meters channel width. Environ is also the first in India to introduce certain additional features in their machinery to achieve minimal maintenance and trouble-free longer life, like extra bearing support for aerator impeller shaft, machine steel ISMB beam base for aerators of 20 HP and above ratings, machining the aerator impeller at center and base to achieve concentric running of aerator impeller, fully machined solid MS shaft for aerators, special aerators with multiple stage impellers for the aeration tanks having more than 3 meter water's depth. Providing FRP lining on aerator shaft and impeller as standard feature for longer life of the equipment. The radiator weighted parts, impeller and shaft in rubber line and SS construction, if asked for by the client, can be provided at an extra cost. Clarifiers, clarifoculators, thickeners with manual sludge arm lifting device as a standard feature. Offering the center drive clarifiers, clarifoculators, thickeners without bottom sludge pipe as an option, due to which choking problem of the bottom sludge pipe can be avoided. Providing PP inlet well as a standard feature in clarifiers, clarifoculators and thickeners. Oxygen transfer testing, in-house testing facility before dispatch would be given free of cost if the single order is for more than 6 numbers of aerators. Special center drive clarifiers, clarifoculators, thickeners with Environ high torque center drive with automatic electromechanical overload protection device as a special feature which cuts off the power to drive the motor in case of the overloading occurs. It can be provided at an extra cost if asked for by the clients. Environ Engineering Company, Vadodara is the only manufacturer in India who have got the oxygen transfer testing facility as per the American standards for the aerators up to 150 HP ratings.
Environ firmly believes that for any biological aeration system, apart from oxygen transfer aspects, mixing criteria is equally important. Environ has designed and developed the different impellers to be installed in the different aeration tanks with the different depths. The reason is every impeller has its own zone of influence and has its own limitation to cater the mixing criteria beyond particular depth of the aeration system. At our facility, we are continuously carrying out R&D activity for improvement of oxygen transfer rate of aerators along with the mixing efficiency at different depths of aeration tank, and have succeeded and achieved the required BOD and COD reductions with nearly zero settlement of bacterial mass at the bottom of the aeration tanks up to 4.5 meter side water depth, and are working on the R&D for achieving the results in aeration tanks having the depths up to 6 meters side water depth. Major successful installations of Dombivli MIDC CTP, Vapi's GIDC CTP, Reliance etc. having aeration tank of 4.5 meter side water depths, and presently carrying out R&D activities to achieve the optimal results for aeration tank having 6 to 6.5 meter side water depth, due to which apart from getting good results of BOD and COD reduction along with a good mixing, the space required for the tank can be reduced, hence saving in capital investment. We have achieved the milestone for the first time in India of designing, developing, manufacturing, testing and successful commissioning of 4 numbers of 100 HP aerators for Messrs Aurobindo Pharma for their Vizag plant, and have carried out successfully the oxygen transfer test for 1 number of 100 HP aerator in our in-house testing facility, and achieved the oxygen transfer rate of 2.24 kg of O2 per HP per hour on 20th September 2002.
Under the pursuit of quality assurance, Environ has conducted and given in-house oxygen transfer tests as per American standard and ringless procedure for Messrs Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Vizag for 100 HP on 20th September 2002 and achieved 2.24 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs Reliance Hazira for 50 HP on 9th September 2004 and achieved 1.6 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs Cheminor Drugs Limited, Hyderabad for 30 HP on 20th July 2000 and achieved 2.82 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Codinar Sugar Factory, Codinar, for their order of 4 numbers 30 HP aerators. Messrs. Tamil Nadu Petro Products, Chennai, for 25 HP aerator on 16th February 1999 and achieved 2.2 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. South India Viscose, Coimbatore, for their order of 10 numbers 20 HP aerators on 18th August 1994 and achieved 1.72 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Tamil Nadu Petro Products, Chennai, for their order of 20 numbers 10 HP aerators on 15th November 1997 and achieved 1.7 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Tamil Nadu Petro Products, Chennai, for 10 HP aerator with 3% salinity water used in testing tank and achieved 1.03 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Gujarat Insecticides Limited, Ankleshwar, for order of 5 numbers 5 HP aerators on 2nd August 1999 and achieved 1.82 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Patanjeru Envirotech Limited, Patanjeru CETP, for 30 HP aerator on 27th December 2004 and achieved 1.91 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Devnar Slaughterhouse, Devnar, for 10 HP aerator on 1st of July 2003. Devnar Slaughterhouse, Devnar, for 30 HP aerator on 28th of August 2003. Messrs. Dombivli CETP for 40 HP aerator on 7th of February 2005 and achieved 1.98 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Vapi CETP, Vapi, for 40 HP aerator on 20th of May 2009. Messrs. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited, Indrad, for 30 HP aerator on 13th of December 2006 and achieved 1.96 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Messrs. Hindustan Newsprint Limited, Kottayam, for 25 HP aerator on 9th of December 2004 and achieved 2.4 kg of O2 per HP per hour. Under R&D activities, the company is continuously working on improvement of the oxygen transfer rate of aerators. In this pursuit, the company has achieved the oxygen transfer rate of 2.24 kg of O2 per HP per hour for 100 HP aerators, 2.8 kg of O2 per HP per hour for 30 HP aerators, 2.2 kg of O2 per HP per hour for 25 HP aerators, 1.8 kg of O2 per HP per hour for 5 HP aerators and 2.02 kg of O2 per HP per hour for 40 HP aerators.
Apart from process consciousness, Environ seriously believes that the design of the equipment should be such that there should be minimal maintenance and minimal downtime, since the equipments have to perform continuously round the clock and prove their performance. Under our quality assurance plan, each and every aerator and agitator is manufactured, shop assembled, tested by us in our testing facility for 2 hours prior to dispatch and checked for vibrations of the equipment, oil leakage in the gearbox, motor getting more current, freeness of the assembly, concentric running of the impeller and the shaft, due to which the aerator can be installed and commissioned with minimal period without facing any problem at site. Since problems are rectified during the hydraulic testing facility at our works before dispatch.
Almost 123 numbers of reputed valuable clients to whom Environ had an opportunity to serve repeatedly for their each and every expansion. The number of clients who are placing repeated orders is continuously increasing every year. Messrs. Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Hyderabad, are satisfied with the performance of our all the ETP equipments, and hence they have given us the repeated orders for 28 times of all their plants throughout Andhra Pradesh. Also, since in any ETP, CETP and STP, the highest energy is consumed in biological system. So by upgrading the aerator performance, having more and more oxygen transfer per HP per hour, hence increasing the efficiency of the aerators, we can reduce the energy consumption in the existing aeration system. If more attention is given for reduction of energy in aeration systems, it would result in heavy energy saving. So carrying out energy auditing of aeration system in existing ETPs and STPs would not only result in economical running of industries, but also the electrical energy saving would help in satisfying the future need of electrical energy required for new coming up industries and can also help in reducing global warming. Due to constant R&D of aerators, Environ has helped many more clients in energy saving in their existing effluent treatment plants and in achieving good results as per the norms of Pollution Control Board. Environ Engineering Company carries out the energy auditing for the existing aeration systems and checks the possibility of reducing the energy cost in their present existing aeration systems. We have carried out the energy auditing for several industries and saved the sizable amount of energy in the existing aeration systems by installing Environ make energy efficient aerators. Some of them are
Messrs. Hindustan Newsprint Limited, Kottayam. They have got 16 numbers of existing 75 HP aerators in their aeration system, where we have reduced the energy by 50 HP per aerator by replacing 6 numbers of 75 HP existing aerators by our 6 numbers of Environ make 25 HP energy efficient aerators. They are replacing all their aerators stage wise and will be saving a total energy of 800 HP. At Messrs. Ballarpur Industries Limited, Yamunanagar, where total energy of 550 HP was saved in their existing aeration system by installing our 10 numbers of 20 HP energy efficient aerators in place of their existing 10 numbers of 75 HP aerators and achieving the required results also in their aeration system with aeration tank depth of 4.5 meters. At Messrs. Patanjeru Envirotech Limited, Patanjeru, one of the biggest CETPs of India, where previously the liquid oxygen was additionally injected in their aeration system, already having the surface aerators. But after installing our 16 numbers of 30 HP energy efficient aerators, their expenditures in liquid oxygen was stopped and also savings in power. At Messrs. Dombivli Better Environment System, Dombivli, one of the biggest CETPs of Maharashtra, having the aeration tank depth of 4.5 meters. ELO2 aerators were running and had zero DO level. These aerators were replaced by our 8 numbers of 40 HP energy efficient aerators. They got the results as per the MPCB norms and now it is considered as the best CETP in India. At Vapi CETP, Vapi, one of the biggest CETP of Gujarat, in 2 sections of aeration tank of 4.5 meter side water depths, they were using diffused aeration system as they were facing lot of problems and also not getting the required results. They have replaced the same with 10 numbers of 40 HP Environ make energy efficient aerators and they are satisfied with the performance of the energy efficient aerators and getting required results as per GPCB norms.
Presently, at Messrs. Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited, Tamil Nadu, they have got 26 numbers of 75 HP aerators of other make, where we are replacing the same with our 40 HP energy efficient aerators. They have placed the order for 4 numbers. After seeing the performance, they will be replacing all the aerators and will be saving energy of 910 HP. At Messrs. Gujarat Insecticides Limited, Ankleshwar, 1 number 20 HP aerator of other make plus 10 HP diffused aeration were running in their aeration system without getting the DO level. We have replaced the aerator and the diffused aeration by our 1 number 12.5 HP energy efficient aerator. The required DO level and DOD reduction were achieved and saved energy of 17.5 HP. On February 2011, at Vapi CETP, We are replacing gradually installed 50 numbers of aerators and also diffused aeration system by our energy efficient aerators, against which we have received the orders for total 20 numbers of energy efficient aerators. This is one of the major achievement of Environ. Environ had replaced the diffuse aeration system at Mahad CETP Maharashtra, wherein they have installed 9 numbers of 30 HP floating type slow speed energy efficient aerators in their aeration system having 4.5 meter side water depth. Environ is also supplying the specially designed energy efficient aerators at Messrs Meghmari Organics, Ankleshwar, where they are having the aeration tank of 6 meter side water depth.
There are many more such cases of replacement of the existing aeration systems by our energy efficient aerators for the aeration tanks with higher depths of 5 meters. We have also got many successful installations in aeration tanks with higher depths. Environ has studied and carried out a report on energy saving in sewage treatment plant, common effluent treatment plant, wherein we have found a large scope for energy saving in ETPs, STPs, CETPs. Upon studying one of the STP of Municipal Corporation of Vadodara having 16 numbers of 50 HP aerators, we have suggested the replacement of these 50 HP aerators by our 30 HP energy efficient aerators, offering guaranteed results as per norms of PCB. There is a scope of total 320 HP energy saving, that is, total 40% saving can be achieved with total capital investment of Rs 70 to Rs 75 lakhs, and in return monetary saving of approximate Rs 1 crore 25 lakhs per year can be achieved with a payback period of only 8 months. Being environmentalist and basically a design and development oriented organization, Environ has accepted the challenges of achieving optimal performances of specially designed equipments such as 40 HP agitator mechanism with 5 meters long unsupported length of shaft for 18 meters dia, 8 meters high neutralization tank for one German company, and 4 meters wide mechanized bar screen at Kripco. For one case of Messrs Reliance Industries Limited, Hazira, where they are having 8 numbers of 50 HP aerators of other make with aeration tank depth of 4.5 meters. They were not getting the required results. They have decided to check the oxygen transfer efficiency of their existing aerator. We at Environ offer them the oxygen transfer test of their existing aerator of other make. On testing, the oxygen transfer of 0.77 kg of O2 per HP per hour was observed. So, Environ firmly believes that before placing the aerators in the market, the manufacturers should test the prototype aerator for its oxygen transfer efficiency to get the required results in aeration system.
With our experience of over 30 years of serving more than 2,000 industries throughout India, we observed in many of the cases of diffuse aeration system the difficulties of not getting the required DO level, and the membranes are getting detached and coming up are found. The reason for this is the diffusers are not installed as they should have been installed as per the practice followed in the Western countries. In only diffuse aeration system, what is more important thing is the mixing criteria and the placement of the membranes in the space between two membranes. There is no activity at all at the pore level, and hence there is a settlement of MLSS and creation of the dead bacteria, and with the settlement of MLSS and the septic condition it is observed, and therefore the DO level slowly goes down to zero. Now, to avoid the septic condition in diffuser system, the membranes should be placed at a very short distance. For 90 mm diameter membrane at about 220 mm distance as placed in the Western countries and as per the international standards in order to get good mixing to avoid the septic condition. But on placement of the membranes at a short distance, the power required will be 2.5 to 3 times more than the power required for mechanical aeration system.
At Environ, we have carried out for many years the intensive research and development and developed the energy efficient aerators. As a result, the sturdy aerator, which combines high oxygenation transfer efficiency having more than 1.6 kg of O2 per HP per hour at standard condition, with thorough mixing to disperse the oxygen throughout the whole mass of the effluent in tank and to achieve the minimum ripple velocity to keep the solids in suspension.
Environ Engineering Company had served by providing ETP equipments to 11 common effluent treatment plants, Wazirpur CETP Delhi through L&T ECC Chennai, Badli CETP New Delhi through UEM India Limited, Dombivli Better Environment System Association CETP Dombivli, Thane Belapur CETP Navi Mumbai, Patanjeru Envirotech Limited Patanjeru, Bharuch Eco Aqua Infrastructure Limited Bharuch through L&T ECC Ahmedabad, Vapi CETP, Jalandhar CETP, Nandesari CETP, Global EnviroCare Limited Sachin Surat, Perfect Enviro Control System Sarigam, World Bank aided sewage treatment plants at Nadiad 24 numbers of aerators, Anand 24 numbers of aerators, and also at Godhra. 4 of the Environ's clients, Messrs Gujarat Insecticides Limited Ankleshwar, Messrs United Phosphorus Limited Ankleshwar, Messrs Virco Laboratories Limited Hyderabad, and Messrs Wellspun Terry Towels Limited Vapi have got ISO 14001 with our Environ make energy efficient aerators and other ETP equipments. We have exported our ETP equipments to Messrs Metacom Exports Private Limited Nigeria, Messrs Puritas Limited Colombo, Messrs Elite Garment Industries Limited Bangladesh, Messrs Knit Asia Limited Bangladesh, Messrs Abdul Khair Steel Industries Limited Bangladesh, German Knitwear Bangladesh, Sunflag Tanzania Limited Tanzania, Alexandria Fiber Company SAE Alexandria Egypt, Zartec Limited Ibadan Nigeria, Kenya through Ramki Hyderabad, Tirukovil Water Supply Scheme Colombo Sri Lanka.
Being an environmentalist organization, we are proud of the activities being undertaken by our organization in the direction of efficient pollution control and energy conservation with due respects to the efforts made by others in this field. We are working in this field since 1977 and are pleased to introduce ourselves as one of the leading and most experienced environmental engineers, designers and manufacturers of effluent treatment plant machineries and have contributed to the cause of the environment through our experience and specialization in the field and shall continue to do so. Environ Engineering Company Vadodara is the only manufacturer in India who has got oxygen transfer testing facility as per American standards and hydraulics testing facility for aerators up to 150 HP ratings.